Hi, I'm Norm. Welcome to Do Better Today, where my goal is to share my experiences coping with depression, anxiety, negative thoughts, and low self-worth to more easily overcome daily challenges. Here's a scenario. You're stressed out. You're anxious. You're freaking out about it. You're having negative thoughts about yourself. You're angry. You're spiraling. You can't control the thoughts, and then they turn into anxiety, stress, self-doubt. All of that stuff makes you physically hurt, speeds your heart rate up, literally raises your body temperature. Sound familiar? Yeah, we've all had moments like this. What do? You need to take a breath. You need to calm down. You need to get focused. You need to stop beating yourself up. You need to stop having this spiral and continue the negative thought process. In my experience, when I feel all of these things and I'm just like shaken, I'm upset, I'm distracted, I'm not myself, I'm not doing good, I'm having negative thoughts. The very first thing that I do, thanks to DBT, is TIPP Skill number 1. And that is to lower my body temperature. Lowering your body temperature rapidly can shock the system. So this tip is actually taking a bowl of ice water and dunking your face into it for 30 seconds. Pretty simple, right? When I first heard about this skill, I was like, that's it? That's all you do? That cannot be the fix for what I'm going through right now. But it was. It worked a charm, and it always has worked a charm. Really simple. Let's get into it. So the way I was taught to do this was you just grab a large bowl that's big enough to fit your head into. This one right here will do. Then you fill it with cold water and add in a couple scoops of ice. The colder, the better. So if you can wait just a few minutes for the water temperature to drop, that'll help you a lot. Once you do this, set the bowl down on the counter, and now just simply close your eyes, bend over, and dunk your face into the water. Visualize diving into a cold pool or a lake while you do this. Keep your face submerged for as long as you can. I usually can hold my breath for about 30 to 40 seconds. So when you do this, your heart rate slows down. Your body shifts into that calmer state, and usually you'll feel more relaxed and even a little relieved afterward. It's an involuntary chemical reaction, and it works fast. Quick disclaimer, I'm sharing all this info as just my personal experience. I'm not a therapist. I'm just a huge fan of DBT and what it's done for me. And I'm just sharing this information to help either you or anyone out there that's in crisis mode and doesn't know where to start, doesn't know what to do. This TIPP skill and all the other skills I might share aren't going to solve the problems. They're not going to give you any magic answers, right? And they're not going to fix the original issue that may have caused this panic or stress or whatever, anything you're going through due to it. But it's helped me many times get from like that I'm about to explode boiling point down to, okay, I'm still a little stressed, still a little worried, concerned, whatever, but now I'm feeling like I can kind of handle the next step without hyperventilating, without losing it, without wanting to like curl up into a ball and get under the covers and just escape from the world because I can't handle it. This simple skill has helped me many times get back to that nice, even, level, calm state where I can figure things out. And usually I realize that whatever I was stressed about before, it's not as bad as my mind was making it, and now I can go on and find a solution. My hope is that sharing this easy skill with you today helps you get through that next time where you're over anxious and you just need to give yourself a little break. Now, if you'd like to learn more about DBT, my daily practice, or maybe just another quick skill that you can use in your daily practice, click on one of these videos on screen now. I'm Norm, and I thank you for joining me as we all try to do better today.